Welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips, sowing tomato seeds. I sow mine in a mix of 1/3 peat, 1/3 perlite, and 1/3 bagged seed starter. First up, sowing sweetie tomatoes. In the 6-cell tray, I use 1 hole per cell and 2 seeds for better germination per hole. Pinch the soil to cover them up a bit. And don't forget, it's important to label. Next up is black cherry tomatoes. 1 hole per cell and 2 seeds in each, and that's a better chance for good germination. Don't forget to label. After that, I'm sowing blueberry tomato, cherry tomato. Label those. White cherry tomato, which are extremely sweet. They're like candy. Probably my family's favorite. I'm sowing 12 trays of that, 2 per hole. They're fantastic. They're great. Don't forget to label those. Next up, yellow pear. Also a sweet one. Probably my family's second favorite cherry tomato. I'm sowing 6 of those plus 2 additional. San Marzano, I'm only putting 2 of those in. I've got a bunch of Roma tomato already growing. Next up, Ukrainian Plum. This is a new one for me. That's going to replace my San Marzano. Tigerella, really cool, nice looking. Got a little orange and yellow. Cherokee Purple, which are stuff that I use for sauce. The standard beefsteak tomato. Black Seaman, also for sauce making. Brandywine Black, new for me. Giant Crimson, which, very expensive. I'm only planting 5 of those. A mushroom basket. Brandywine Yellow, also new for me. And from a friend, Ananas Noir, which is a black pineapple tomato. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips. Thank you very much.